Welcome. In this video, we will learn about ensemble learning. Ensemble modeling is a process of running two or more related but different analytical models and then synthesizing the result into a single score or spread in order to improve the accuracy of predictive analytics and data mining applications. For example, you want to buy a new car but you don't know what the latest models are. Your goal is to get the best value for your money, but you don't have enough knowledge on this topic to make an informed decision. When you have to make a decision about something like this, you go around and try to get opinions of multiple experts in the domain. This will help you make the best decision more often than not. Instead of just relying on a single opinion, you tend to make a final decision by combining the individual decisions of those experts. The reason we do that is because we want to minimize the possibility of a wrong or suboptimal decision. So this is how our ensemble learning works in real world. So let me show you the same thing in a diagram. So here, original dataset classifiers, creating the sample dataset here from the original dataset, divide the multiple classifiers to 8. As soon as your splitted data has been found, then combine all the classifiers in one unit. So this is how ensemble learning can be applied. So that's it in this video on introduction of ensemble learning. Thank you for watching this video.